Hi, my name is Chris Monsour. I'm an HHMI BioInteractive ambassador, and today I'm going to kind of give you a quick overview on how to search for resources on the new web page. The first thing you definitely want to do is make sure you log in if you haven't yet, create an account, and I discussed that in an earlier webcast. When you get to the opening page, you have two options to search for resources. You can either hit this Classroom Resources tab or Search for Resources. I'm going to go to the Classroom Resources here across the top. And as you're going to see, what opens up is you can search by keyword or by level. It gives you high school, AP, IB, college, the resource type, or the topic. And so these down here are just ways to narrow down the search. I'm going to select natural selection since I've already done it once. Hit return. And what you're going to see that pulls up is 117 results. That may seem a little overwhelming. And so what I would strongly encourage you to do is to use the filtering tool over here. So tomorrow in my class, we're going to be talking about evolution, but I want to focus on a science practice. So I click on science practice in the filtering tool, and what's going to pop up is now I have a list of options to even narrow down the search more. So it's the beginning of the year, we're going to do data analysis, and I click on that, and I've now taken those 17 results, down to 12. And so now I'm down to 12 results. I could even filter more if I would like. And so this is just an easy tool to kind of filter down a resource. So if we even scroll down further though, let's say, okay, I've got these 12, but I want to do a click and learn, or I want to do a virtual lab. Under interactive media, if I click interactive media, what's going to pop up now is a Stickleback Evolution Virtual Lab and Exploring Biomass Pyramids. So what I've done by using those filtering tools is taken 117 resources and narrowed it down to 2. And so again, the filtering tools are to save time and to narrow down your resources. The one question I often get is the data points. And so I'm going to show you a quick shortcut here how to find those data points. So if you go to, it's easier, you may have a better way, but if you go to all resources type, click on activities, I hit OK. I'm going to scroll down under activities to resource type and hit data point. And what's going to show up is all 43 of those data points. So hopefully this quick video webcast has kind of shown you how to use the filtering, how to locate some resources. And always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the BioInteractive team under the Contact Us. You can also find them on Facebook and Twitter. So again, hopefully you found this video helpful, and I will see you in a future webcast.